Welcome to Arogya Drishti. Today in this video we will see how to organize, access and share yours and your family members' medical reports with Arogya Drishti. First, you will have to sign in to your account, and if you are new here, you can sign up. All you need is your phone number. So once you enter your phone number and click on the sign in or sign up button, you will receive an OTP that you will have to enter here. Then you can click on the submit button. Now, once you have successfully signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard. But if this is your first time here, you will have to set up your profile in order to secure your medical reports with Arogya Drishti. So to set up your account, all you have to do is fill in your name, your last name, add an email ID and verify it so that you can interact with us using your email, add gender, blood group, your age, and you can also add your address. Please note, out of all these fields, age and the first name is mandatory to fill. Once that is done, you can click on this update button and your profile is all set.
As you know that with Arogya Drishti, you can not only secure your medical reports but also your family members' medical reports. So let's see how you can add your family members like I have done here. For that, you will have to go to Add Family. Once Add Family is open, you can see this form that you will have to fill up. Let's start filling up the form. First, you will have to select the relation. If you click here, you will get a bunch of options to select from. I'm going to add my brother. You can fill in the title, the first name of your family member. You can fill in the middle name and last name as well. I'm going to fill in his last name. Then you can enter his phone number. Once you have entered the phone number, you have to click on this red tick button. Once you do so, your family member will receive an OTP that you will have to fill in here and then submit. Once you have verified the mobile number of your family member, they will be able to interact with Arogya Drishti using their WhatsApp. Likewise, you can also fill in the email address of your family member and verify it. Once you verify the email address, they will be able to interact with us using their email. Now, moving forward, I'll select gender. Please note that you can always leave this field blank. I'll go and select his blood group, his age, and then add address. Please note, in this, the relation, the first name and the age are the mandatory fields that you must fill in. So once that's done, you can go ahead and click on the submit button here. Congrats! Looks like you have added your first family member to your account.
So you have successfully set up your profile and also added your family member. Now, let's move on and secure some medical reports. For that, you will have to go to Add Reports. Here in Add Reports, as you can see, there is this drop-down menu here. Once you click on it, you will get a list of all your added family members and you can switch between the family members anytime you want. So now I'm going to upload my medical report, so I'm going to select myself here. Upload medical reports, you will have to click on this plus button here. You will get these options to upload from camera or upload from gallery. So when I click on upload from camera, As you see, uploading your medical reports from your camera is as easy as taking a picture. Now, let me click on this plus button again. This time I'm going to select upload from gallery. I'm going to select X-ray of mine and now click on the submit button. And that's it. Looks like you have secured your medical reports. You may wonder, you have uploaded these medical reports, but how to view and access these medical reports? For that, you will have to go to View Reports.
Once you open your View Reports, you will be able to view and access all your medical reports that you have secured with Arogya Drishti. Here, if you click on this drop-down menu, you will get the list of all the added family members, so you can switch between family members and access their medical reports as well. Now, if you notice that you can download these medical reports, share these medical reports via WhatsApp with people you trust, and also delete a medical report. Now, as you can see, there are so many medical reports here. But what if you're looking for one particular medical test report? For that, you can click on this filter option. Once you do that, you will get this list. Here, you can filter based on the doctor you consulted, the lab from where you got your test done, and you can also filter based on the test name, and also you can apply a date range. So I want to search for medical test report of NS Memorial and the test that I've got done recently. Now I click on the button search, and looks like I have found the one medical report that I was looking for. Now you have learned to secure medical reports and also access medical reports. So let's move on to dashboard. Here in dashboard, you can access all your recent reports, your medical trends, and also health related videos. Let's check them out one by one. Please note, here in dashboard, you can also switch between your family members. Now, coming to recent reports. If you notice, there are these cards labeled as December, September, and June. If you click on this December card, a medical book will open, which contains all my medical reports from 7th of December to 28th of December. Now, if I click on this right arrow, I can see all my medical reports. Now, if you want to download this cluster of reports from 7 December to 28 December, you can simply click on this download button here. And done. Moving on to medical trends. Here, as you can see, I have these medical trends of ESR, hemoglobin, and Alzheimer. So, if you notice here, I have got my ESR tested on 7th of December. So let me click on this dot here. Now you can see on 7th of December, my ESR value was 16. But then I got my test done again on 28th of December. And on 28th of December, my value dropped down to 11. Likewise, you can track all your medical trends. Now, when you go down, you can see a bunch of health related videos that you can see anytime you want. Now, as you know that Arogya Drishti not only secures your medical report but also securely share your medical reports with the doctors of your choice. So let's see how to share your medical history with doctors of your choice. For that, you will have to go to Share with Doctors here. Once you open your Share with Doctors, you can see this card. Here you can fill in the doctor's name and phone number to share your medical history with the doctor. And please note, you can also share your family members' medical history just by switching between family members, just like that.
Now, let me share my medical history with the doctor. Let me put a random number to show you how it works. Once you have filled in the name and the phone number, you can just click on the button Share. Congrats! Looks like you have shared your medical history with the doctor of your choice. Once this is done, the doctor will receive a link through which he or she can access your medical history. And also, if you want to share this medical history with the doctor through WhatsApp, you can simply click on this WhatsApp icon here. If the doctor wants to access your medical reports, they will have to fill in the OTP. And this OTP only you can provide. If you notice here, you have shared your medical reports with the doctor only for 24 hours. And if you want to extend this, you can simply click on the button Extend for 24 hours. And that's it.
Now let's move on to My Account. Here in My Account, you will be able to subscribe to your account and also subscribe for your family members as well. Let's subscribe to any of my family member and see how it works. I'm going to select two of my family members here and then click on the pay button here. So I have received a 10% discount here. If you subscribe 2 to 5 people at a time, you will get a discount of 10%. But if you are subscribing 6 to 10 people at a time, you will receive a discount of 20%. And if you are going to subscribe more than 10 people at a time, you will receive a discount of 25%. So, once you see your payment details, you can confirm and pay. Once you confirm and pay, you can see these different methods of payment and you can select any one of your choice. So once you select that, you can click on this pay button and complete your payment.
Once you have made a successful payment, your family member will be subscribed. Now, if you want to unsubscribe any of your family member, you can do so by clicking on this unsubscribe button here. Once you click on the button, then you can go ahead and select the family members that you want to unsubscribe by clicking on the tick button and click on unsubscribe. Please note, once you unsubscribe, you will no longer be able to access any of the medical reports of the unsubscribed member. I'm going to click on to proceed. Once you proceed, you will get this refund details. Here you will have to fill in your UPI ID or your bank details so that you will get the refund after successful unsubscription. Please make sure that you're entering the right details and always double check before you confirm. And once you're filled in, you can go ahead and confirm. Once you have confirmed for your unsubscription, you will get a refund within 3 to 5 working days. Now you know how to subscribe and unsubscribe as well. So, if you like our app, you can always share it with your friends and other people you know by clicking on the refer to a friend option. Once you click on it, you can see all these methods through which you can share Arogya Drishti. Now, you know how to organize, access and share your medical reports with Arogya Drishti.